We are at the Hilton, Des Moines, downtown. They actually got the California style buttons, the white ones. Woo! They're white on the inside too. Hopefully we can go up a decent bit. Ah, shit. 2. All right, now we get up to 8.
Coming down?
Yep. You going to 1 or P?
Huh?
1?
Yeah, 1. Oh, shoot. Sorry, yeah. Sorry. I thought you were going to 1 already.
Oh, I got you. No worries. Have a good one.
You too, man.
That's the rare California style buttons. That's cool. And it's got 350, it goes 350 feet per minute. Honestly, these feel kind of faster actually. Anyway, they proudly serve Starbucks. Starbucks rules over this hotel. They serve them. Anyway, that's all.